Good morning to parents and children. Children, today I am going to teach class 4 students value education. Children, today I am going to teach lesson 2, that is love nature. This story is of that time when fruits, vegetables and grains were so big that a single grain could fulfill the hunger of a person. So it is the story of that time. In those days, the ripe grains of rice just fell down on their own and went rolling to the farmer's house to be eaten. One day, an old woman and her daughter were building a storehouse to keep the rice. At that moment, one big grain of rice came rolling before them. When the old woman and her daughter were busy in their work, by seeing this grain of rice, the old woman got so much angry that she kicked it so hard that the grain of rice broken into 1,000 pieces. And the woman told to the grain of rice that can't you wait in the field until we finish the work. So the grain of rice got so much angry on this old woman's behavior that she told to them that hereafter they will have to go to the field to bring grains. The grains will not come to their home. So the grains that we eat nowadays, we generally go and bring from the field only. This story is all about giving respect to our mother land or mother nature, and we should be grateful to her that she has given us so much to us we enjoy in our life. Thank you children for this story. Now I will teach you the whole lesson line by line. Please watch. Children, now I will start with lesson number 2. Lesson 2, Love Nature Story. A long time ago, all things were bigger and better than they are today. Fruits, vegetables, grains, even people and animals. Grains, you can see the meaning of grains, a cereal crop like wheat or rice. In fact, the grains of rice were so big that a single grain of rice was so big that a person could eat at a time. Next paragraph. In those days, people did not have to work very hard. When the grains of rice were ripe, they just fell down on their own and went rolling into the villages to be eaten. Next paragraph. Once an old woman and her daughter were building a storehouse for rice. One big grain of rice came rolling in before the building was ready. The old woman became angry when she saw it. She kicked the grain and said, "Could you not wait in the field till we were ready? Why do you bother us when we are not ready?" The grain broke into 1,000 tiny pieces and said, "We have always been good to you. We give you food to eat. We try to make things easy for you, but in return you kick us. From now on we will not come to you. You will have to come and gather us. You will have to cook and eat a lot of rice to fill your stomach." From that day onwards, grains of rice have been small. People have had to gather grains from the fields and carry it to their store and houses. This is the story, children. I have explained you before. Please read this once more and clear your doubts. Thank you.